Hello guys, welcome back. Today's video's topic is a trade using liquidity concepts, buy side and sell side liquidity. So, first things first, what we are looking, so we want to see multiple touches in one price level. So we are looking on the buy side and on the sell side. So where are most touches? We can clearly see that we have a lot of touches here. We have the buy side, and here we have 1, 2, 3 touches. For me, it's like this. Oh, also, you can see that we have equal lows, but you will see that this wouldn't be the best sell side. You want to have a bigger picture. You want to have a very good accumulation. So some major sweeps go to your buy side or sell side. So we are waiting for the market open. We trade only, or I trade only at 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. and the New York session from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Okay, so here you have my time zone, and let's get into it. I just marked this so it's more clear, and we are simply waiting so that one part or one side is hit. I will just drag it more far, and we are in an uptrend, so this is very helpful. This is one confirmation, and if I turn it, we had Asian sweep. We were very patient, so we waited, and now our alert was hit. We have the notification, so now we are on the chart and we can execute. So we are on a 15-minute. Now we are going to the smaller time frame, to 1 minute, and now we are looking for the inverse fair value gap. It's the normal fair value gap, but you want to see a closed candle on the fair value gap. So this is a clear IFVG. I will just drag it right here, and now it's very easy. You just execute it, you bring your long position, you enter right here, you are prepared, and now you want to give your stop loss below the last low. You want to give it some breathing room, and now the easiest thing, and it's to place the take profit. Okay, so on the 1 minute, even you can see that we have some equal highs. You have multiple touches here, so this is a very nice target, but we will target the buy side liquidity. Also, we can see, or we can try to aim for this sweep. So this will be our third target, and also we have a lot of touches here. So this, if you would hold it, this would be your fourth target. So let's drag it. Personally, I would do it like this, only to the buy side, and I would move my stop loss then. So let's play it, and we will see how it goes. And now we are shooting it. I will just delete this. And we have very nice, approximately, yes, under 5% is quite nice. Let's see if it will go. Yes, it will go even up. So to the top you have nice 7%. So very nice, easy trade, very fast, very executionable. I just want to show you that if you start right here, 10 a.m. and you go here, so under 1 hour or approximately 1 hour it takes to make 7%. So if you risk $100 or $1,000, you have made $700 or $7,000. So this is it. I wanted to show it to you very easily, very quickly, very simple setup. So thank you very much for watching, and I would love to see you again next time. So see you at the next trade and next setup. Thank you and bye bye.